This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
September 6th, 2019, this one here I got a call for a sink not holding water. It's a bathroom sink, so it must be the pop assembly. Sometimes there's a little O-ring in there that's gone. I got pop-ups in the truck, so a couple of towns over, I'm driving over there and seeing what's going on with the guy's stuff. A little chilly here this morning, about 60 degrees. Well, it's going to start cooling off. Well, we are in September, so I have been working on a trackless. I got a lot done on it. It's all pretty much all back together. I really should have did more videos on that, but I've just been kind of doing it in between and when I get some time and trying to get it back together. I'll probably do a video and show you what everything I did on it. Did a lot of work to it. Wasn't a lot of interest in that thing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the wrong one.
Yeah.
Let me see. I might have another one that'll fit in there better than that.
Don't.
Let me do my job, okay?
Okay.
You want it to hold water, correct?
That's all I want.
Yeah, we'll fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's way too low. All right. Let me.
I put that. So if you want to
So
look underneath,
he has played with it. Let me look at it. Let me get my tools.
Okay.
We'll look at it and we'll fix it.
All right. I put the.
That's a growy, so that's a good faucet. Missing that screw. Could do something with that. Oh, I got a delta one that seems to fit right in here. Yeah, it's gonna fit in there better. Might have to put putty under it. Let's see if that works. I'll have to put some putty under there too. tight up here. I wonder what's leaking. Should work. That should work now. Not rocket science. Close that is. That ain't gonna be no good like that. Let's try it now and see if it leaks. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, is this Steven?
It is.
Hi, Steven. My name is Carlos. I have a possibly very quick question. You may or may not know the answer, but I'm hoping you might. I have a boiler in my basement. It's been installed for about 2016 with a 40 yellow burner, and I've been experiencing some intermittent misfires. And what I mean by misfires is that the boiler starts up, burner starts up, and then doesn't fire up, and then reattempts, and then does fire up the second time. And I've had several, what I think now are knuckleheads, trying to troubleshoot the issue, but haven't been able to figure it out. And
You're too far for me to go, for one thing. I mean, Beverly, I mean, that's way too far, so you better find yourself a guy that's not a knucklehead up there.
yeah, it's going to be kind of, I mean, it's tough to find somebody.
I can't tell you over the phone what to do, guy. I mean, I just can't. It's liability issues, and there's a bunch of stuff involved. You understand?
Yeah, no, I understand. I was hoping, I mean,
Yeah, it's a yellow burner. That's what it is.
yeah, so,
You gotta call a burner man up your way that's got some clue. Alright, no leaks. That should do it. Alright, you wanna check it out? Go ahead. Alright guys, that's why I save the old parts. I mean, if they're good, I'll save them. I'll use them on another job. This thing here is a smaller unit. I come across that. I need them sometimes. Take care of the old guy.